Hey everybody, I'm going to show you my mosquito repellent bracelets here. They're made by Self-Balance. S-E-L-P-H. Balance. Clever little swap-brew there. This packet comes with 12 of the bracelets, 4 different colors, as you can see here. Yes, there's one missing because I do have one on. They're kind of a microfiber type of material, so they're very soft, so you don't really notice that they're on. I'll take a look here. They're adjustable, so they fit a wide variety. Let me get the slip down there so you can see. I have a pretty small wrist, around 6 inch. I'm about 5'8", and if you can see here, hold this down and you can see my wrist, but you can also see on these bracelets that these are adjustable to a variety of settings. And if you notice here, got this plastic notch, and you just pop it through. See, I've got this turned over so you can see. Here's the top, and here's the other side. Looks like that. So you just wrap it around, and it will pop this little piece out, and you're good to go. These are natural, 100% natural, because they have essential oil in them, which naturally repels insects. They don't have any DEET. The essential oils that are included: lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, and peppermint. So they last around 10 days. They're non-toxic. And you don't have to put them just on yourself. You could put them on your backpack, or like it says on here, if you're carrying an infant in a car seat, like I used to with my two, you could strap it onto the car seat carrier. If you're hiking and using a walking stick, you could strap it onto the wrist strap. Something that we do. Put it on ankle like it shows here. So they're really great for camping. We actually use them in the house certain times of year because we do not have screens on our house yet. We bought a foreclosure and it was pretty stripped out, and we haven't been able to put screens on the house yet. And living in the southwestern desert, we are pretty dry most of the year, but we have a monsoon. And so for 3 months of the year, we get very severe flooding. And it brings in a lot of mosquitoes. And it's just awful not having any screens. But if you don't want a horrendous air conditioning bill, an electricity bill, well, we open the windows at night to help balance the weather inside in the daytime. So these have been a huge help. The scent isn't, it's not overwhelming or anything. It is noticeable, but it's not overwhelming. So it's definitely worth it. I like that the bag is re-sealable. So obviously you want to have a place to put these. It is a good, thick quality bag. Almost like a food grade. I don't know if it is or not, but it is definitely thick. I don't know if you can tell that. But not flimsy at all. website is listed for the company, southbalance.com. They have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest if you want to check them out. And I know it's good not just for mosquitoes. These essential oils do help keep other little insects away, so they're a good thing. Check them out.